Creating space just got a lot easier. Heavy-duty stowaway cart by Adco Industries. The rules for carts taking up too much space have now changed. Simply release the folding cart lock mechanism and deploy the HD stowaway cart for use. With 6 5-inch wheels, the stowaway cart rolls effortlessly with minimal input from the user. When you're done with the stowaway cart, simply fold it up and store it easily out of the way. The stowaway cart has many patented features. The stowaway cart has features to securely lock the cart into a deployed position, as well as to securely lock when it's folded. The no-pinch area has been increased to eliminate finger pinches when being deployed. The optional wall wheels are available to protect walls from scuffs and damage to the walls. Made of durable yet pliable rubber compound, the wheels simply guide the stowaway down halls without damage. The stowaway comes complete with 2 locking casters that can be engaged and disengaged by a simple tap of the foot. The stowaway cart features an impressive weight capacity of 600 pounds, equally distributed on the top and the bottom shelves. With a full 1-year warranty, we are certain that the stowaway cart can provide years of service with minimal care and maintenance. The space-saving design, being the most desirable feature, has launched this product into a new class of its own. Available now from Adco Industries. Be sure and subscribe to be notified when new content from Adco Industries is made available.